So the first thing I'm going to do is to measure 15 inches long by 20 inches pieces of fabric. That means I'm having two pieces of fabric, 15 inches by 20 inches. That's for the body of the top. Then for the sleeve also, I have two pieces of fabric also. That is 17.5 inches by 7 inches. That's for the sleeve. So I'm going to go ahead and join by the sides. I'm going to join the body of the top by the side. Then for the sleeve, I'm going to join at one side. I'm going to join by the side. Then after that, I'm going to fold in by 1 inch so that I can pass elastic. So you're going to fold in by 1 inch. Then you leave a gap for the passage of elastic. So you're going to do that for the body of the top. Then you're also going to do that for the sleeve also. For the sleeve also, you're also going to fold in by 1 inch. Then you are going to leave a gap, like half-inch gap, for the passage of elastic. So the next thing I'm going to do is to pass the elastic thread in through the gap I left. So for the sleeve, I'm going to be measuring 6.5 inches long of elastic for each of the sleeves. So you're going to use a bobby pin and look for the gap where you left for the passage of the elastic. So you pass, then secure with pin. So that's the first sleeve. So for the second sleeve also, the 6.5 inches long of elastic thread to secure with pin also. Then for the main top, I'm going to be measuring 16 inches long of elastic. So the next thing to do is to attach the sleeves to the body of the top. So I'm going to go ahead and look for the sides, the two sides of the top. Then you're going to look for the side where you joined the sleeve. You're going to tack it to the other side of the top as illustrated. So you can secure with pin so that it will be easier for you to tack. So I'm going to go ahead and join the second sleeve also. I'm going to attach the second sleeve to the side of the top. So you're going to secure with pin. Then you go to a sewing machine and tack. So after that, I'm going to hem the lower part of the top, likewise the sleeve also. So this is what I have. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed.